Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to watch something super scary. If you know it is Dog Nightmares. Dog Nightmares. We're going to watch it. It's like a horror story. Why do you need to replace a part? Like, why that? It looks so realistic. It cannot even have a match. Like you, like right here, like so terrified, like talking like that. I'm like him. I'm like him. I don't know what's going on to happen. This is a creepy dog. Yeah. This is the nightmares. Yep. 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 This one is horror stories at 13. Okay. 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 Imagine if you were watching this as a nightmare. You were like this, like, literally, like, oh my god, that looks so disturbing. I'm like him, and then you literally just ask yourself, like, excuse yourself. No. No, what? No. 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 No, like, look right there. I think we can kill that. Anyways, bro, it looks the same. Now, this one is disturbing. Okay, that's not too creepy. I'm ready to have it. Okay. What? No. Oh, the food not draw that as a kid. Okay. So why do we need to watch this? It's hard to get disturbing, even though I don't care. Flow. Or stories is Dog Nightmares is starting to get popular. I wanted to show it to you because why does the eyes have that? What? What? Oh, I know this part's gonna be creepy. I know. Damn. Okay, I'm ready to show you something. What is this? What is that? Okay. Oh, there's gonna be a dog there? There's gonna be a creepy dog there. Okay. After this one, we'll end the video. Now that. Okay, that's not. Okay. Oh my, the hand looks realistic. What is that thing? If you don't see it, is this one. What is that? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. Okay, bye everybody. Hopefully you see this one. This one's a new one. I'm going to save it. It's named Bite. Okay, I'll save one. Okay, I will show this one on camera. I'm not going to show it on camera. I mean,